Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Lying Down. I'm Gail Towle with AIM Solder, here to answer your most pressing questions. Today, we're responding to Eric, who writes, we're having solderability issues due to problematic components. Unfortunately, we have no choice but to use the components provided, but is there anything we can do on the solder side to improve outcomes? That's a great question, Eric, and having to optimize within constraints like subpar components is unfortunately not uncommon. The good news is that there are things you can try to improve process outcomes. First, take a look at component handling and storage. Make sure moisture-sensitive components are stored in sealed bags with desiccant packs and implement strict inventory management practices to ensure components are used within their shelf life. Next, do a quick check of all your process settings. Start with your screen printer. Check that it's level and plumb. Verify that the correct tooling is in place. Thoroughly examine equipment cleanliness and inspect the condition of the stencil for damage or clogging. Then look at your pick and place process. Make sure that the machine's nozzles are clean and check for any contamination. Verify that the placement settings are optimized for the assembly and components you're using. Finally, check your reflow oven. Look for malfunctions in the heating elements, inspect the blower motors for any issues, and verify with a profiler that the reflow oven is functioning properly. After ensuring all process controls are optimized, you can explore some additional tweaks to compensate for subpar components. Consider adjusting the reflow profile to be hotter and faster, which can improve wetting. Also, switching to a solder paste with higher flux activity can greatly improve the solderability of challenging components and lower defect rates. Keep in mind, however, that there are trade-offs. Higher activity pastes come with additional cleaning requirements as well as negative environmental impacts. Thanks again for your question, Eric, and I hope this helps, but definitely reach out to our technical support team for further assistance if needed.